Hey everybody. Sorry, it's been a while. But I had to do a review on this one. Been kind of busy with life, lots of sick kids. It's that time of the year. Hopefully springtime will make things better. Hopefully this car will make things better, right? I'm joking. So I just got this in the mail and this is super cool. Comes all wrapped up really well. Oh, like really well. Let me get that off. Okie dokie. So, unwrapped. A little bit of damage to the top. You can see that in the reflection, unfortunately. Contains small objects and model product not suitable for children under 14. Long-term exposure to direct sunlight or bright spotlight may cause damage. So that looks like that's from the video game, a screenshot from the video game. Wonder if they did that to skip copyright or something? I don't know, let me know in the comments what you think they did that for. And it's got the Ghostbusters in the background. So this is Ecto-2. Really hoping that they do the first one. The first one's my favorite version of the Ecto. Or if they do the dirty one too, from Afterlife. That's pretty cool too. Or the new Ghostbusters, I forgot what the first one's called. And whatever, you know what I'm talking about. I'd never really cared for all the caution striping on the side of this one and the way they changed some of the tooling on the top. Oh well. Let's crack it open. Alright. This thing is massive. So I think I paid $22 shipped from this from AliExpress. Maybe it was even less. But it seems like AliExpress is the best way to get this one. It was affordable. And it is huge. What is going on? Sorry about that. My Android phone decided to be stupid. So, I'm going to turn that stupid thing off. I tried getting the antenna off, but it's under there pretty good. It's a long antenna and I don't want to break anything because it's super cool. But man, I'd much rather have this than the Hot Wheels version. Hot Wheels is so basic in comparison. Holy crap. And the Johnny Lightning's a little bit too cartoonish for me, and the proportions just aren't right. Man, now I feel like I need to get the Johnny Lightning one and the Hot Wheels one cracked open and do a comparison. I mean, look how long this thing is. Holy crap. What can I do to compare the size? Alright, here's an M2. There you go, there's an M2 square body. Just so you can get an idea of just how freaking huge this is. I'm guessing it actually is true to 1/64 scale too, because I know the real Ecto-1 is a mammoth car. It is a huge hearse. So let's take a look at the details. Wonder why they don't have anything on the front license plate. Why don't they have Ecto on there? Hood does not open. These look like M2 wheels. It would not surprise me if these wheels came off an M2. So it's got the Ecto license plate on the back. I wonder why they didn't do it in the front. We're back. We believe you. Call JL5 2020. Call us. And I got all the equipment on the top. Oh, that's so cool. Man, they even went all the detail and stuff on the lights. How close can I get? That is incredible. There's 2 layers. Oh, you don't want to see my thumb, who cares? Sorry, I'm looking at the car, not the camera. There's 2 layers of flashers in the front. I'm assuming that's correct to the movie. It's been a while. And again, this isn't my favorite version of the Ecto, so I don't really remember too many of the details of this one. Alright, so it looks like there's a lot of detail going on the inside. I think I need to take this apart if I can. We got a We gotta see what it looks like on the inside, because it looks like there's some tampos and stuff on the inside. Oh, and just one more thing, it is a plastic base, so if you're wondering, it is plastic. It's still really heavy, but it's a plastic base, and there's 3 screws that looks like it's holding it. Hoping that's all it is, because I really want to see the inside. So the base actually came off really easy. Just get the 3 screws loose and it comes right off. There's a lot of pieces to this. Holy smokes, you're really getting your money's worth out of this. It's a really nicely detailed windshield, really nice detailed wiper blades. I really like that. This is actually like a metal antenna, and it's got a spring on it. Alright, this is why I had to take this apart, because I could see some of this going on the inside, but not really as much as you can see taken off. So look at that, it's got all the instrument panels on there, it's got all the Ecto-1 packs. Or, did I call them Ecto? Alright, they're not Ecto packs, they are unlicensed nuclear accelerators, which I think they also refer to them as proton packs. So we got all 4 in there that come off on that little stretcher. Just lost a screw. That's okay. I don't really see any tampos on those. The stretcher is silver and the thing that holds the proton packs is silver, but the proton packs themselves don't have any tampos, which is okay. It's still a nice little accessory. And the screen's blank as well. Still impressive detail, especially for the price point. Wow, this is super cool. And it looks like it's actually got the proper steering wheel too. No tampos on the dash? No, it does. Sorry, I was looking that close, so it's hard to tell, but if you look behind the steering wheel, you can see like there's some kind of decals or something on it. Like it's not just one, there's like multiple of them on there. That is nuts. Ah, super cool. Alright, so I'll put them back together. I just noticed something too. If you look at the tail lights, they're individual pieces sticking out. Holy crap. Alright, guys, I am like super happy with this. This is fantastic. They knocked it out of the ballpark on this one. It's really well done. Seems pretty sturdy. I was grabbing it pretty hard to take the screws out and stuff, so it held up just fine. Super hardy. Oh man, this is super cool. Please, guys, if you could, please make the original Ecto one, please. And then do the one from Afterlife as well. We don't need the sliding door or anything. I just want the rusty, muddy look to it. I love seeing the dirty Ecto. It's pretty cool. So, if you've got one of these, let me know in the comments. I think that the people who make this also make the Back to the Future cars, so I'm going to have to pick up one of those now. I forgot what the name of the company is. I mean, the logo is right there in the top left corner. Sorry, I'm not very familiar with you guys. This is my first video. I'll try to remember your name for the next time. Very, very happy with this. Holy crap, this is so cool. So, if you haven't picked one up yet, go to AliExpress, pick it up. So you can throw away your Hot Wheels ones and get this one instead, right? I'm joking. You can definitely throw away the Johnny Lightning ones. This is in another ballpark in quality in comparison. So I definitely going to try and pick up a Johnny Lightning one though to do a side-by-side comparison, so that way you guys can see just how much better this is detailed. I'm geeking out. This is super cool. So I picked mine up from AliExpress. I think there's some on eBay, but they cost more with shipping on eBay versus AliExpress. I think I got free shipping, so it's your pick. If you're willing to do AliExpress, go that way. If you don't like AliExpress, get one off eBay. This thing's killer. I definitely highly recommend it. 10 out of 10.
Hey, thanks for making it to the end of this video. You can subscribe by clicking on the Vipers in the bottom right corner. See my most current video in the top right corner. The 2 videos on the left are based on your interest in this video, and make sure to leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe for more content. And as always, happy hunting!